In today's professional document processing and archiving environment, speed, accuracy, and reliability are more important than ever. Every digital workflow begins with the digitization of analog documents, whether they are technical drawings, utility maps, construction drawings, or other originals. Nearly all industries, government agencies, and other organizations require fast and complete access to current and historical information. WideTEK scanners simplify digitization without unnecessary complexity. While our competitors offer around 30 scanner models for different applications, we cover the entire spectrum with just 6 models: the entry-level WideTEK CL/CIS models and the professional WideTEK CCD models. The CCD models complement our entry-level scanner range to meet even the most demanding requirements for quality and speed. When you only need to scan documents in good or fair condition, such as newer GIS maps and CAD drawings, the CIS scanner family WideTEK CL is the most cost-effective option. CCD scanners are required for scanning older, crumpled, rolled up, partially destroyed, messy documents or blueprints that are difficult to read. Thanks to their extended focus range, more relaxed document transport, and higher color fidelity, they can detect details that may not be visible to the naked eye. Select the technology and the maximum scanning width, and you're done. You don't need to worry about speed options because image access WideTEK scanners are the fastest on the market anyway. Forget about the many similar models from competitors with different speeds and software options because each WideTEK scanner offers you everything you need. All models scan in full color at resolutions up to 1200 dpi and at speeds unmatched in the industry. Face-up center feed scanning allows documents to be loaded naturally and securely. Automatic format detection eliminates the need for manual settings and prevents operator errors. Individually mounted feed rollers and a low-friction stainless steel table ensure gentle and reliable document transport. A straight paper path, adaptive multi-wheel drive, and wear-resistant construction make WideTEK scanners true production systems designed for continuous operation and millions of scans. Still wondering what kind of fancy PC you need to run the scanner? All WideTEK scanners are true all-in-one solutions. No external PC is required, and there are no issues with Windows drivers, updates, or virus protection. All you need is a valid IP address. That's it. An integrated Linux PC runs the Scan2Net operating system, the Android of scanners. With 8 or 16 gigabytes of memory and an intuitive user interface, WideTEK ensures effortless walk-up or batch scanning. Documents can be sent directly to any network location, including mobile devices, USB, SMB, local shares, FTP, cloud services, email, printers, or other devices. Smart workflow features such as user-modifiable templates, size and alignment correction, and the virtual rescan function reduce manual efforts and eliminate unnecessary rescans. WideTEK scanners can also be easily integrated into reprographic environments and support direct output to leading printer brands for efficient MFP and copy workflows. With no consumables, minimal maintenance, and durable design, WideTEK scanners deliver extreme low total cost of ownership, even under harsh conditions and continuous use. WideTEK scanners combine speed, quality, and reliability. Built to last, supported locally, engineered and manufactured in Germany by Image Access.